In today's video, I am going to teach you how to manually charge a customer in Stripe. Whether you are taking a payment over the phone or helping a customer complete a one-off purchase, the Stripe dashboard makes it quick and secure to process a manual charge. First, log into the Stripe dashboard using your authorized account. If you manage multiple businesses or environments, confirm you are in the correct account and, importantly, check whether you are in test or live mode. Test mode is great for practicing, but you'll want live mode selected before running any real transactions. Next, head to the Payments tab. You'll find it in the left-hand menu. This area shows every payment that's come through your account, along with useful details like status and amount. It's a good habit to glance at the list to make sure everything looks normal before creating a new charge. Now, click the Create button, usually marked with a plus sign, and choose Payment. This opens a simple form where you'll enter the details for the transaction. If you don't see the button right away, look to the top right corner of the Payments page. In the form, start by entering the amount you want to charge and confirm the correct currency. Double-check both of these fields. Entering an extra zero or the wrong currency can cause a refund headache later. Then, carefully type in the customer's credit or debit card information. Only collect these details if the customer has given you explicit permission, and avoid writing the card number down anywhere else. Stripe encrypts card data entered through the dashboard, helping you stay compliant with payment security standards. Make sure the card number, expiration date, security code, and postal code are all accurate. Small typos are a common reason for declines. If the customer is nearby, confirm the amount and currency verbally before you proceed. When everything looks good, click Charge to complete the transaction. Stripe will attempt the payment right away. If it's successful, you'll see a confirmation with a paid status, and the charge will appear in your payments list. Depending on your account settings, Stripe can automatically email a receipt to the customer. If the payment fails, review the error message. Common issues include incorrect card details, insufficient funds, or bank declines. In those cases, verify the information with the customer or try a different card. That's all there is to it. You've just manually charged a customer in Stripe using the dashboard, keeping the process accurate, secure, and fast. Thanks for watching.